Hey, so real quick, I've had a couple of people asking me in the comment question how I like my welder, how she's holding up, and let me tell you. So this thing, honestly I haven't used it in almost a year because I've been basically just working out of my work truck. Been so busy, I haven't really needed to use this thing at all. But anyways, so yeah, she sat for about a year. And before I put it away last time, I turned the fuel off and I ran it till it basically emptied the carburetor, and it sat. So I came out this morning and turned the little, whatever you want to call it, the valve for the fuel. Set the choke. It took a couple cranks, I'm not gonna lie, but the fuel system was probably empty at that point. So anyways, I gotta take care of these guys. So yeah, I cranked that thing for a few seconds, and then once she lit, it was good. I let the choke run for maybe 15-20 seconds. Bumped her off and she just sat there and purred like she's supposed to. So anyways, definitely would recommend one of these if you either just want something for around the house, the ranch, whatever, and or if you're just getting started, man, you just need a little something to get you out in the field and make a couple dollars. Definitely worth it. The only thing that I really wish these things would have was like an idle up circuit, because once you kick it into the weld mode, she goes full tilt while you're welding, and then when you stop welding, she still goes. So you got to come back, turn the weld off to get it to idle down. But it's not the end of the world, especially like I said, if you're just using her here and there on the weekends and stuff. So there you go. All right. So what happened was she broke the mount there for that lower control arm. So we're gonna try to get it lined up, cleaned up, and welded up. Alright, so this is definitely gonna be like a trail fix. So we got this kind of lined up. I got it tacked here, but I got a pretty good gap on this side where the ground clamp is. So I'm gonna try to use this ratchet strap to pull it back and close the gap on this side. Road Dizzle. Finally.
I passed some on my way here.
Watch out.
On my way to the yard.
Alright, that's good. So we got it on there. Gotta weld it. Let's see if we can get you guys in there a little better. So through a couple there on the top. I don't know if you guys can see, that's kind of dark. All the way up and around, inside, both sides. Well, I think it's going to be better than it was. It's got a couple issues that probably need to be addressed. That you can see all this interference going on in here. There's some geometry issues, but I think that's for another day. All right, thanks a lot, folks. We got her all welded up. Carlos can get back out to the beach and have the fun for the rest of the weekend. You happy with everything turned out? Everything's good? It's good. All right. Thanks a lot, you guys. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bells for notification. Most importantly, get out, go wheeling, go do something fun. All right.